हमारा ध्यान रखते रखते खुद का ध्यान रखना भूल जाते हैं. What's up you guys? I hope you all are safe and fine. This is Hinanshi Sangvi and welcome back to my channel. Ta-da-da-da-da. So guys, in today's video, it's more like gifts for him part 3 but exclusively for Father's Day. So basically I just got to know that Father's Day is coming soon and it's on 20th of June. So I decided to make a quick video in which I would show you all few of my personal recommendations of gifts that you all can gift it to your dad. वैसे you all can gift it to your brother and your friends also, but moreover to your dad. Okay, focus something. So I'm just recommending you all the gifts that I have been gifting my dad since past 2-3 years, and these are some gifts that are really worth buying, and more than gifts, these are things that are precious for his life also, because he needs to take care of himself and we're gonna take care of that. So without wasting any much time, let's get started. So all the links are gonna be in the description box below. All you have to do is look at the whole video, decide the product that you want to gift to your dad and put it in your cart and gift it to him on Father's Day and enjoy the day with him. I would also tell you all a few activities that you all can do with your dad on Father's Day. So it's just not materialistic gifts but also spending time with him and making his day special. Okay, so the first one is not a materialistic gift but something that your dad really requires, and that is, so guys, all you have to do is go and download this app called Urban Clap. It is not a paid promotion, I'm just telling you all because I personally love it. Urban Clap on your App Store or Google Play Store, and then register your number, log in. So they have a lot of different things like salon for women, spa for women, salon for men, massage for men. So what you all can do is go in the section which has massage for men, and you all can book a massage therapy for your dad. The best part is that they have different types of massage therapy, basically therapies for pain relief, therapies for stress relief, and a lot of different types. The least out of all is relaxing head massage, which is for 20 minutes, 300 rupees, and it's totally worth it because the feeling you get after getting the massage done is so nice. And trust me, your dad will love it because he needs a day off for himself, and this is one of the best things that you all can do. They carry the massage bed and specially curated oils with them only, so we don't have to do anything, we just have to book it through our phones. That's it. So if you all think that massage for men is expensive and you all want something more cheaper than that, then what you all can do is go in salon for men, in which there are a lot of options for haircut, and make your own package is a very good option. But so you all can go in massage therapy over there in salon for men, and there are therapy starting from 99 rupees, that is for head massage, neck and shoulder massage 99 rupees, and a lot more. Accordingly you all can book whatever you want. And if you all go in face care, there are other face care things that you all can do. And यार किसने बोला है कि लड़कियां ही ये सब कर सकती है? So this is something which starts from 99 rupees to goes up to more than 1500. You can even make your own package and let your dad chill for 3-4 hours continuously. So yeah, that's it. That's the first thing. The second one is Bombay Shaving Company Father's Day gift kit on Amazon, which includes a scrub, a shaving cream, post-shave balm, shaving brush, and towel. So it's technically for 1630 rupees, but because of the discounts, considering the fact that Father's Day is coming, they are selling it only for 944 on Amazon. So it's a must buy thing because I personally have gifted it to my dad, I think 3.5 years back around Valentine's Day. As you all can see, it's the same hamper, same box, same everything. The only thing is it's been 3.5 years, so I don't have the materials in it yet. So their packaging and everything is very good, and I think it's really good and worth to buy such a nice gift. It's a must buy thing. Your dad's gonna love it. Just go for it. My dad still hasn't thrown this because obviously he can't. It's gifted by me. He can never throw this. The next product is Caravan Saregama, which is available on Amazon, and it's one of the things that we should definitely gift to our parents, be it a mom or dad, because they really love such things. So Saregama Caravan is one of the best sellers on Amazon, which is having 10,821 reviews with a 4-star on Amazon itself. Now what is it? So basically it's a music player. It's a portable music player which is having 5,000 preloaded songs in it. Can you believe it? Apart from being a portable speaker, it also has FM that makes it a radio. It also has the facility to connect your phone to it with Bluetooth, and it also has an aux wire facility. The 5,000 songs that they have are about the old songs from the legends like Kishore Kumar, Lata Mangeshkar, etc. So it's our responsibility to give them something that they love so that they can yet remember the old days of their life. This Caravan is for 5,998. But what I would advise y'all, if y'all don't have a budget, then y'all can give your dad something way much similar to this Caravan itself. So there's something known as Saregama Caravan Mini. So obviously Mini, say y'all understand that the size of the Caravan is different. The Mini is for 2,000 rupees only. Now the difference in that is, one, obviously the size. The other difference is in the bigger Caravan there were 5,000 songs, but in this Caravan you just have 253 songs or something. Sorry, 351 preloaded evergreen Hindi songs of the legends of the old days. I think this is more worth because it's smaller and it's more portable than the bigger one. It also has the option of radio and Bluetooth and aux, attaching the aux wire. So the features are pretty much similar. I think you all should personally go for the Mini Caravan. They also have a lot of different colors in Mini Caravan. Just imagine the fact that he loves listening to songs and you all thought about gifting him something related to that would itself make him happy. वैसे you all can buy this thing for yourself, your brother and your friends also, huh? So the next one, which is one of the most worth it product that I have found, is this customized wooden frame, which is available on Amazon for just 400 rupees. Technically the price is 1600, but because of the discounts it's for 400. Now what is this? So basically you just have to give your photo, like yours and your dad's photo, and they're gonna engrave it on the wood itself. So this is how it looks. And now there are different sizes available. The 5x4 size is for 400 rupees. The other sizes are 4x5, 4x6A, 4x6B, 4x7, 5x7, 6x8. So the price differs from which size you want to order your wood for. And I think it's so good to get your and your dad's picture engraved on a wood with a message. I mean, that's going to be so sweet. And it's going to be like a photo frame, and he's going to view it every morning he wakes up because you're going to keep it in front of him. So yeah, this is one of the gifts that you all can give. The next one is a very simple product, but it is something that your dad is going to use every morning and sign all his business deals with this thing. So I am sure you all might have understood. It's a Parker pen which you get on Amazon for just 350 rupees. The original price being 500, but because of the discount you're getting it for 350. Parker Classic Gold GT ball pen. It looks really classy. Parker itself, I've heard a lot. It's an amazing brand of pen. I have personally gifted it a lot of times to my teachers in my school days. So it's a good gift. It has a stainless steel body and it's a royal thing that your dad can keep it with him always. There are a lot of different options in the Parker pen itself. You can even go for Parker Matte Black GT Roller Ball Pen, which is for 497, and it's something that your dad's gonna use every single day. If you're gonna give him something really simple and more like a personalized thing, then what y'all can do is go on Amazon and type Oi Happy, and y'all can see a lot of different things that they have for Father's Day gift itself. Really cute mugs which has Papa Ka Mug written on it saying Kripya Dur Rahe. That's so cute. So they have a lot of different varieties of Father's Day gifts, like Father's Day pillow, something like a car which has a tie on it. So basically personalized gift for reasonable rates. The next one is, if your dad is a huge fan of shoes, and also if you all want to gift him vegan shoes or should go for vegan shoes only, then this is an amazing website that you all can try, and it's located in Mumbai, which is Luso Lifestyle. So they have a lot of varieties of shoes and wallets. uh, the rate in the shop starts from 1,000 rupees onwards. They have provided these shoes to people in the Bollywood industry also, and they have amazing collection with a variety of colors and types. The best part is that they even customize according to your preferences and your references. I gifted one pair to my dad a year back, and see, this is how the pair looks like. Avoid the mess and the situation because I haven't washed it since a long time. But look at the logo and the style, it's so royal, it looks so nice. And again, I haven't washed it. This is the second product that I have got from Luso. And as I told you all, that they even customize according to your own preference. So this is the one that we got customized for my brother for a wedding that we had in our family. So, I mean, look at how neatly it's done, and the best part is it's vegan. What else do you want? Cruelty-free products. Perfect and amazing gift. Now there's this activity that y'all can do. Y'all can write 3 things of your generation that you want to do with your dad, and he can write 3 things of his generation that he wants to do with y'all, and on chits, and then you pick a chit from his 3 chits and he picks a chit from your 3 chits, and whatever comes, y'all have to do it for each other, so that makes it equal. This is one of an amazing activity that you all can try because it will help him know about our generation and also give a sense about the history and past of our generation, that is of our parents. Y'all can also keep a karaoke night at home or call a live singer and keep a live music night at home. And irrespective of whether you are a singer or not, y'all can also record a song for your dad in a recording studio. I have done it, and you guys should also try it because it's actually fun. Anyways, I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more videos.